once again, main points of the story. In 1942, Gandhi started Quit India movement, and Louis Fisher, a great follower of Mahatma Gandhi, went to his ashram in central India at Sevagram to meet Gandhi to ask him what made him urge the departure of British from India. And Gandhi tells that it started in 1917. In December 1916, the annual meeting of Indian National Congress was going on in Lucknow. 2,301 delegates were attending the meeting. A poor peasant from Champaran came there. He introduced himself as Rajkumar Shukla from Champaran. He said that he wanted Gandhi to accompany him to Champaran to fight against the injustice done to the indigo sharecroppers. Gandhi was busy in the politics because it was only in 1915 that he had come back from South Africa, so he had no time to visit Champaran. Moreover, he had not even heard of the place Champaran, so he told Shukla that he would not be able to come as he had to visit Kanpur and so many other places. But Shukla was very much firm in his determination. He did not leave the side of Gandhi. Wherever Gandhi went, Shukla simply followed Gandhi. So, impressed by the tenacity of this this poor fellow, Rajkumar Shukla, Gandhi told him that on such and such a date he would be arriving at Calcutta. He wanted Shukla to meet him at Calcutta, and then the two of them would come to Bihar. Shukla went back. So on the fixed date, Gandhi reached Calcutta. Shukla was there to receive him. Then from Calcutta, both of them took a train and came to Patna. At Patna, they visited the house of Rajendra Prasad, who at that time was out of town. But the servants of Rajendra Prasad were familiar with Rajkumar Shukla because Shukla was a frequent visitor to their place, and he wanted Rajendra Prasad to fight for the indigo sharecroppers. So the servants of Rajendra Prasad took Gandhi also for a peasant and allowed Gandhi and Shukla to stay there. But they did not allow Gandhi to take water from the well because they did not know the caste of Gandhi. So, at Patna, Gandhi could not meet Rajendra Prasad and could not get any detailed information. So, he decided to visit Muzaffarpur before going to Champaran. He wanted to visit Muzaffarpur because he wanted to get a detailed information about the sharecroppers. He sent a telegram to Professor J.B. Kriplani. He reached at Muzaffarpur on 15th April 1917 at midnight. Kriplani came there to receive Gandhi with a large body of students. Gandhi stayed at Muzaffarpur for 2 days. He stayed in the house of a teacher, Malkani. Gandhi stayed in the house of a teacher of a government school, Malkani, which was extraordinary. Why it was extraordinary? Because in those days, people in smaller localities were afraid to show sympathy for the advocates of Home Rule. Home Rule here stands for India rule, rule of Indian, because India at that time was ruled by the Britishers. So people were afraid of showing sympathy to the advocates belonging to India. But even then, a teacher, Malkani, gave shelter to Gandhi in his house for 2 days.